Welcome to the madness. Well, this is our storage room in the basement. We moved in about a year ago and just piled everything in here. It used to be all over here by the green tarps and filled with boxes, and we're getting down, but in the mayhem I found a box that hadn't been opened, and I've kind of forgotten what it is, but there's the white plastic box just up on a shelf. We're going to get it down and see what it is. So we got the box down, and from what I could tell from the postmark, it's from China, some guy named Jason. So I'm going to have to look in my records to find out what it is. It's been up on the shelf there for a year, maybe. Most of the year anyway. So we'll figure out what it is. So let's get it open and we'll go from there. An Ocean Explorer 2.4 gigahertz remote control boat. I don't think I've ever had a boat before. Today we're going to try something completely different for the channel. We've got the WLtoys WL912-A. It's a brushed motor, the 390 brush motor, and a 1500 milliamp 2-cell lithium-ion battery, and it's a speedboat. It was about 45 bucks US. Got it from AliExpress. As you saw in the finding video, it was on a shelf for almost a year. Took it out of the box, and let's see how it goes. Charge the battery up. You'll see the insides at the end of the video. I'll do an unboxing, what's inside. Let's get it in the water and let's see how it performs. Let's go. We'll turn the controller on. It's just a regular trigger controller, just like for your RC cars. Let's put it in the water and have a go. Just get the trim up a bit. Let's see if the trim comes back. I'm just gonna do... Yeah, the trim is pretty good. Okay, let's come around. So there it is. It's doing pretty good. Let's just turn around a bit and let's go up and down the pond here. Look at it go. Look at that water spout. What do they call a rooster tail? Look at it go. Beautiful. It's a little tricky sometimes, but there we go. A lot of fun. A lot of power. Whoa, full speed. Let's do a flyby here. Bouncing up and down here. Let's do another one. Whoa, it's really... There we go. I gotta get control of this here. There we go. And we'll do another one. Another round pass. There we go. And we'll turn the other way. Go to the end of the pond here. Beautiful little pond. And this is the pond at the end of the subdivision that never freezes. There we go. Yeah, it's got about a 15-minute run time, which is pretty good for this. Okay, let's get it out here. And we're going to try and do some slow-mo here. Let's dig into the box and see what it's like. That's a handle that doesn't really work too well. It's WLtoys or WLtoys WL912-A. And the instructions are pretty basic. Charge up the battery, put some batteries in the remote, stick it in the water, and let it go. So, what is it? It's a remote that needs 4 AA batteries. That's pretty common. Steering wheel, trim buttons, maybe. Something button, another button. It's a stand. Charging unit. It's a, looks like a 2-cell battery. And has a wire on it. Put that aside. And that's what was holding it on there. And that's the boat. Oh, something's rolled around in there. So I'm assuming that comes off like that. Ooh, awesome. Oh, there's the battery. It's probably a NiCad. What is this? Well, I'll have to look into that. It's not LiPo for sure. So it sticks in there and goes in there. Charge it there. I have a balanced charger anyway, but I'll use this one. I'll charge it up, stick it in the water. Look, it's water cooled. And we have the bottom connectors for water right here to engage the motors, and yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to get the stand out. This is the stand, and I'm assuming it's like this, and like this, or like that. That's the stand, and it sits like so, something like that. And when you put the lid on, it goes something like that. And you put that on like that. And that's the stand. And there you go. The WL912-A, or the W12. There we go. That's going to be interesting. Charge the battery up, take it down to the lake, and give it a spin. Put some batteries in here. Away we go. Exciting. I'd forgotten all about it. I don't know if I got it on Banggood or if I got it on AliExpress, or I'll have to look into that and let you know. But yeah, there it is, and I'm excited to get it going. I've never played with a boat before like this, so it's going to be interesting. So that's the big unboxing. Let's see what happens next. Let's try that. And away we go. It's the WLtoys 912 and little pond here. Just cruising around. About half speed. How we doing? Yeah. Let's see if we can do a full speed on the way back here. Here we go. Oops. I think I hit something. I have to stop and bring it all back down. Okay, we got the WL912-A back, and it's covered in debris. Nothing broke, but what I did notice was that the rudder is adjustable like that. So we're going to try it like that, see what happens. Here we go. Oh, it's meant to test us, we know. There we go. Turned it on, ready to go. There we go.